A very good afternoon to all. Here JVN Dr. Nidhi Tiwari, Assistant Professor, Department of Pharmacy, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, 50 millisievert scale. Today's topic. 50 millisievert scale, also known as Alum potencies, final and latest scale, 6th edition of Organ of Medicine is in the book mentioned by Master Hahnemann, ratio 1:50,000, given by Parry Smith of Geneva. Potencies are called 50 millisievert potency. Hahnemann renewed dynamization, footnote 1, refers in 132, new altered but perfected method. It is said to for 50 millisievert scale. Need, why there is need of 50 millisievert scale? Highest ideal of cure that we know is that rapid, gentle, permanent. Various problems under centesimal scale. Takes long time, undesirable medicinal aggravation, wait for long time after administration of single dose, too frequent repetition is not possible. So when there is a disadvantage of centesimal scale or the bad parts of centesimal scale is that it takes long time to cure undesirable medicinal aggravation, and we can't repeat the medicine on basis of frequent repetition. So there is the necessity of centesimal scale. So new scale was introduced, new dynamization method. What are the advantages of 50 millisievert scales? Action of selected medicine is rapid. Medicinal aggravation is easily avoided. Frequent repetition. Medicine can be continued even after improvement starts. Chronic disease can be cured in shortest period. In 4 to 5 days, action of medicine can be ascertained. Or minimum homeopathic aggravation, there is no such type of aggravation. Quick cure, frequent repetition, we can do frequent repetition within our 2 hours, 2 days, 3 days. Judge of appropriate medicine. Palliative and curative purpose, mental disease, incurable to curable case, effective for palliation in incurable cases, effective to bring back the suppressed state. Primary manifestation of miasm, repeated in large doses, highest development of latent powers. Now what are the disadvantages of alum potencies or 50 millisievert scales are? Medicines must be administered in liquid form so to prevent the decomposition of water, and rectified spirit is used. Standard quality of phial and cork are essential to preserve the medicinal solution for long time. Repeated administration of a partially indicated medicine may give relief on chief complaints of the patient, but the patient as a whole does not improve as the medicine does not cover the fundamental cause and the totality of symptoms. In simple and uncomplicated chronic disease of dynamic pathology, it is easier to observe the effect of the medicine by administering a single dose of centesimal potency, but this is not possible with the medicine of 50 millisievert scale of potency. The intricacy of the mode of use of medicine and regulation of the so-called aggravation, though very mild, lead to lack of enthusiasm amongst many of us. How we denote the centesimal scales? There are designation for particular centesimal, it's 50 millisievert scale. So there are designation for 50 millisievert scale in the Western world. 1/0, 2/0, 3/0, 4/0, so on. In India, 0/1, 0/2, 0/3, so on. In Bangladesh, M/1, M/2, M/3, so on. Hahnemann used to write it as 0/1, 0/2, 0/3. It would be more scientific and logical if we write alum by 1, alum by 2, alum by 3, etc. since L stands for 50 and M for millisievert. Now preparation. The mode of preparation is given in the organ of 6th edition. Easy as range of potencies are less and arrangements are not complicated. Drug substance is triturated with sugar of milk up to 3C. Prepare 3 successive trituration, that is first, second, third trituration from the original substance or mother substance. The ratio of each will be 1:100. Take 1 gram from third trituration and dissolve it in 500 drops of a solution having 100 drops of alcohol and 400 drops of distilled water. The mother potency of the new method or the mother tincture of alum scale. The ratio is 1:500. One drop from this fourth stage is to be mixed with 100 drops of alcohol. This is to be succeed 100 times. This is the first potency M/1 or 0/1 or LM/1 etc. of the new method. Proportion is 1:5. Now next potency, with one drop of this first potency, that is LM/1, 500 globules, number 10 globules are to be soaked. Then put one such medicated globule in a 1 gram vial and put in it 1 drop of distilled water for its dissolution. Then put 100 drops of alcohol in the vial and suckle it 100 times. This is the second potency, that is LM/2 of the new method. The ratio of it is 1:50,000 or more. In this way, the dilution may be raised from LM/3 to LM/30 or as needed. Now first, original substance 1 drop, that is 1 gram, plus 100 grains of sugar of milk plus 1 hour trituration by grinding, pounding, scraping etc. This is first trituration 1/100. Second, first trituration 1 grain plus 100 grains sugar of milk plus first hour trituration is equal to second trituration. 1/100 into 1/100 is equal to 1/10,000. Third, second trituration, first grain plus 100 grain sugar of milk plus 1 hour trituration is equal to third trituration. 1/10,000 into 1/100 is equal to 10 lakh. Fourth, third trituration, 1 gram plus 500 drops of the solution, 100 drops of alcohol and 400 drops of distilled water is equal to other power of new potency. 1/10⁵ into 1/500 is equal to 1/50 into 50 power of 7. Fifth, 1 drop of the fourth solution plus 100 drops of alcohol plus 100 succussion is equal to LM/1, the first potency. After the process of fifth, this is the first potency, that is we can denote it LM/1. 1/50 power 7 into 1/100 is equal to 1/50 power 9. Sixth, one number 10 globules soaked with LM/1 plus 1 drop of distilled water plus 100 drops of alcohol plus 100 succussion is equal to second potency or LM/2. Administration, medicinal solution, mode of preparation and direction to the patient for taking the medicine. Doses, repetition, aggravation, proper time for administration, routes of administration, condition for administrations. Thank you for listening.